Program 9. Neck Relaxation. For pain due to neck and shoulder tensions. Against shoulder pain. Optionally, you can perform your exercise program with the abdominal belt. Active mobilizing exercises in the neck zone help you maintain mobility or even improve it. To do so, please remove the wedge under the pillow so you are lying in a lower position. Always begin the exercises with small amplitudes of movement and increase them gradually. In a supine position, you rest your chin on your chest, exhaling, and hold this position for about 3 to 4 seconds. Then you switch to the opposite direction. Stretch your neck backward and inhale. While breathing calmly and rhythmically, the two end points of the movement should be switched at least 10 times in a row. For the next exercise, please turn your head to one side and, while doing so, exhale. Switch to the other side, inhaling, and put your head back on the support pad again, exhaling. Do this form of exercise 10 times in a row, alternating every 4 seconds. For the last exercise sequence, please tilt your head to one side, towards the shoulder. A slight pull on the opposite side is wanted. Do the exercise slowly on each side, several times in succession. Hold this position for at least 4 seconds, always exhaling in the end position. Well done. Your body will thank you.